In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export a report in Kreo using Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type kreo.net and press enter. This takes you to the Kreo website. On the homepage, look for the Login button and click it. When the sign-in screen appears, enter your registered email and your password. For security, avoid saving your credentials on shared devices. Then click Login to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects. Find the project you want to work with and click its name to open it. Inside the project, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click either Create Report or Generate Report, depending on what your interface shows. Both options take you to the same reporting workflow. Next, select the report type that best fits your needs. You might see options tailored to summaries, detailed breakdowns, or other formats. Choose the one that aligns with what you plan to share or analyze. After selecting the type, click Create. You'll then be prompted to select the report sheet. Pick the specific sheet that contains the data you want to include so the report pulls the correct information. Now choose the items or sections to include. This is where you can narrow the focus of your report. Include only the categories, elements, or sections that are relevant. Taking a moment to refine these selections helps keep your report clear and concise. With your content set, choose the output format. PDF is great for fixed, shareable documents that look the same on every device, while Excel is ideal if you need to sort, filter, or continue analysis later. Select the format that suits your goal. To finish up, move to the top left of the screen and click the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More Options. From that menu, choose Export or Download. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Pick a folder on your PC, confirm the file name, and save. It's a good practice to use a descriptive name that includes the project and date so you can find it quickly later. And that's it. You opened Kreo in Google Chrome, logged in securely, opened your project, created a report, chose what to include, selected the best format, and exported the file to your computer. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean professional report ready to share or analyze further.